So let me see the first method of fixed capital method. Under this fixed capital method, all adjustments related with partner's capital. Where is the scale? All adjustments related with partner's capital account are made to partner's current account. मी मगाशी सांगितल्याप्रमाणे पार्टनर्स कॅपिटलशी संबंधित असलेल्या ज्या ऍडजस्टमेंट आहेत अंडर फिक्स कॅपिटल मेथड या सर्व ऍडजस्टमेंट्स एक्सेप्ट ऍडिशनल कॅपिटल या आपल्याला कुठे करायच्या आहेत पार्टनर्स करंट अकाउंटला. सो लेट मी सी द ऍडजस्टमेंट. इंटरेस्ट ऑन कॅपिटल ऑफ पार्टनर्स, salary or commission to partners, cash or goods withdrawn by partners, interest on drawing of partners, net profit that is credit balance, and net loss that is debit balance of profit and loss account. And finally the additional capital brought by partner in the form of cash or any kind that is asset. We mention that additional capital into the partner's capital only. Let me see. Here there are two ledger accounts. You see, the first one is partners capital account, and below that partners current account. Here there are two partners, that is partner A and partner B. Partner A and partner B. Let's see. Given trial balance shows the partners' capital balances which are mentioned in the partners' capital account on the credit side by balance brought down, because it is opening balance, by balance brought down. Here next, in trial balance, the balances, if there is a fixed capital method, the partners current account balances are given. And how we know the fixed capital method is applied? If in particular trial balance there will be partners capital balances also given and partners current balances also given, we apply the fixed capital method in that problem. So let me see. If there is a credit balance to the partner's current account by balance opening balances, by balance brought down, there may be debit balance over here in the partner's current account, but I will give you the example by mentioning the opening balances of partner's current account is credit balance. Let me see step by step the given adjustment for the posting. Okay, see, interest on capital of partners. If we have to mention or to record interest on partners capital in fixed capital method, we have to mention that adjustment into the partner's current account by interest on capital account. Both which is separately mentioned, that is A's interest on capital mentioned in the A's column and B's interest on capital mentioned in the B's column in partner's current account. Secondly, the salary or commission to the partners, which is expenditure of the firm, but it is income for the partner's capital, and hence it is recorded in under fixed capital method. It is recorded in the partner's current account, that is salary to partner, salary to partner account, partners account. Here for A, which is separately given in the adjustment in a particular problem. Okay. Next, commission to partner, same as to salary, which is expenditure for the partnership firm and income for the partners. Commission to partners account. Which is recorded in the partners current account as a by commission to partners account. A. Let me see next adjustment, cash or goods withdrawn by partners under fixed capital method. If there is cash or goods withdrawn by partners, it is recorded to the partners current account debit side, that is to drawing account, whether it is cash or goods. Mention A's drawing in A's column, B's drawing is in B column. The next adjustment, interest on drawing of partner, which is income for the partnership business and expenses for the partners to interest on drawing account of partners. The figures are readily given in the adjustment, or if the rate of interest is given for the adjustment in the adjustment, we have to calculate the interest on drawing. See, next adjustment, the net profit, which is credit balance. If there is a net profit which is transferred from profit and loss account, which is a credit balance, it is directly recorded to the partner's current account by net profit. Or into bracket, we mention the P&L account, transfer from P&L account. And if there is a net loss, which is debit balance, it is directly transferred to the partner's current account under fixed capital method, that is to net loss P&L account. तो बॅलन्स P&L अकाउंट मधून ट्रान्सफर झालेला आहे. डेबिट बॅलन्स असेल तर तो नेट लॉस असणार आहे आणि नेट लॉस पार्टनर्सच्या करंट अकाउंटला डेबिट साइडला लिहिला जातो. ए चा ए च्या कॉलम मध्ये लिहायचा आहे, बी चा बी च्या कॉलम मध्ये लिहायचा आहे. Thereafter there is one more adjustment is given, that is additional capital brought by the partners in the kind of cash or asset. Cash or asset. if particular partner brought the additional capital in the cash or in the form of asset, it will be recorded to the partner's capital, because its balance increases with additional cash or asset by cash account by asset account. If it is given, प्रत्येक प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये दिलेलं असेलच असं काही नाही. And thereafter finally we draw the closing balances for the partner's capital account and partner's current account. You know better how to close all that accounts. You have to deduct the amount from the credit balance that is मोठ्या संख्येतून लहान संख्या वजा करायची आहे. इथे आपल्याला क्रेडिट बॅलन्स कसा आहे, जास्त आहे आणि डेबिट बॅलन्सला एकही आयटम नाहीये आणि त्यामुळे इथे आपल्याला काय येणार आहे, तो क्लोजिंग बॅलन्स काय येणार आहे, क्रेडिट बॅलन्स येणार आहे आणि त्यामुळे आपण क्रेडिट बॅलन्स इथे कॅरेड डाऊनला लिहून टाकणार आहोत, जी तुमची पार्टनर्स कॅपिटल अकाउंटची फिगर असेल. मोस्टली प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये तुम्हाला कोणत्याही प्रकारे ऍडिशनल कॅपिटल दिलेलं नसतं. जर कधी दिलेलं असेल तर तुम्हाला ती ऍडजस्टमेंट करता आली पाहिजे. म्हणून इथे ऍडिशनल कॅपिटल सुद्धा जर का पार्टनरने आणलेलं असेल तर ते कशा पद्धतीने एंट्री करायची हे दाखवलेलं आहे. देअरआफ्टर पार्टनर्स करंट अकाउंट. आता इथे तुमच्या लक्षात येईल त्या पार्टनर्स करंट अकाउंटला जो बॅलन्स दिलेला आहे, क्रेडिट बॅलन्स दिलेला आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये ऍडिशनल काही एंटर झालं, दॅट इज इंटरेस्ट ऑन कॅपिटल, सॅलरी टू पार्टनर, कमिशन टू पार्टनर अँड नेट प्रॉफिट. इकडे सुद्धा तुम्हाला बॅलन्सेस काढून घ्यायचे आहेत आणि मोठ्या बॅलन्स मधून छोटा बॅलन्स काय करायचा आहे, वजा करायचा आहे. इफ देयर इज क्रेडिट बॅलन्स, it is transferred to the liability side of the balance sheet, and if there is debit balance to the partner's current account, it will show in the asset side of the balance sheet. Maybe असं सांगता येत नाही की जर का क्लोजिंग बॅलन्स डेबिटच असेल किंवा क्रेडिटच असेल किंवा डेबिटच असेल असं सांगता येत नाही. पार्टनर्स करंट अकाउंटच्या बाबतीत असं सांगता येत नाही आणि म्हणून जर का तिथे क्रेडिट बॅलन्स असेल तर तो कुठे ट्रान्सफर करायचा आहे, लायबिलिटी साइडला. अँड इफ देयर इज डेबिट बॅलन्स, the balance is transferred to the asset side if there is debit balance. This is called as debit closing balance, and this is called as credit balance, which is closing balance transferred to the liability side. And finally, we have to close partners current account. Thank you.